Yo, this is episode 3 of trying to recover from drawdown. As you all know, I've been in drawdown for quite some time now. Not because I was wrong most of the time, but because I actually over risked, right? Also, this is over risking. This is the new setup that I have, but it hasn't yet materialized, so you have to wait. Let's go to a 4 time frame. Yes, I'm trying to take this short here on USDC share. So, last time we spoke, my account was below 49,000 USD, right? But what I did was I actually managed to recover from that drawdown. This is where you had, man. It doesn't get much better than this. Also, this is my history. As you all know, I've been taking losses, wins, and wins, losses, and then wins. There's this trader from my that finally got me out of drawdown. I think it was a dickhead. Yeah, I closed because I had 2 positions open, but this is the one that took me out of that massive drawdown that I was in. I could have been up by a few percentages, but it doesn't matter. And on this one, like you see here before it loads, it says 23,000, almost 23,600 USD. Let it load because I haven't checked it on this phone, but we are up also on this one. We are recovering slowly but surely. Yes, you see what I mean? Now we are left with 3% to actually recover from drawdown. And also on this one, man, my instant funded accounts are the ones that are not performing very well because I'm actually back from being up for too long. So yes, this is my account that is deep in drawdown, but because of this trade, I managed to put the break even stop loss above enter point. In case I hit my stop loss, I'm gonna close 507 USD plus because of positive swaps. I don't know what charges, but yeah, Euro GPI is still tricky, man. I closed on the other account because I wanted to be out of drawdown so that I can trade freely. But my plan here is to actually recover from drawdown on this one while trying to pass phase 1 on that one, and then once I recover from drawdown on this one, then pass phase 2 on equity and this one. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. So yeah, let's take the chance. It's Overcame again.
Yes, so now that I'm on the chance, guys, so I know on the first part of this video I showed you that I was analyzing. Wait, I'm waiting for what do we call this? NZDC chef cells, right? But since it's New York session, I'm just gonna go on a day trade, right? So I'm risking 0.5% on all the accounts, right? 0.5%. That's nothing hectic, considering the fact that I actually got into break even with one account that I show you. So yeah, I'm doing this to show you that there's no gap. I don't know what happened to this broker. It's wonder, but on the chance there's actually a football body candle, right? So because this was the high that was supposed to be respected. Remember, this is the demand zone, the supply zone, order block, /order block, right? It was taken out, even if you place your Fibonacci here, it means this trade setup has automatically failed. It took us out, right? So right now, now that it has been taken out, so also this was liquidity was taken out here. At this moment, I'm just trying to exercise the muscle, man. Nothing hectic. So liquidity has taken out the dot point, and also liquidity has taken out at this point. So for those who have been here for some time now, we've been watching my videos, this is my type of favorite entry, right? Let's say liquidity has taken out and then liquidity is taken out, so I'm looking for a reversal and then continuation to the upside, right? So this is what I'm currently looking at now. So yeah, there's nothing more to do here actually. This is what I'm looking for. I can still use my Fibonacci to track my entry, or I can go with like a demand zone. So yeah, let me remove everything and I'll focus on this. So if I ever get to place my Fibonacci at this point to that point, mind you, I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. I'm not seeing I have time now, right? Initially this looks like a good order block, but then because you are still above 50% zone, this is above 50% zone, man. Somewhere around it is 50% zone, so it's not ideal for us to take a buy there. You can take a buy here. I target 1 to 3, or also go aggressive on this one. Take this demand zone. There's two options to do this, but because I'm trying to go aggressive as I can, I'm gonna place my entry here, and even if I do miss out on it, it's okay. Let me just leave this setup here, and then yeah, already I've set my limit orders. All right, because look at this, like this pair has been bullish for quite some time now. So I'm just gonna zoom it like this. Yeah, price has been liquidated on both sides, so it's much more easier for us to actually buy. So what I'm gonna do right now is oh shit, okay. So buys on Nasdaq. This is how I actually do it. So instead of like me saving this picture, I just copy and paste the link to this video and then upload it. So I'm gonna right now I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to use my PC not my PC, man. I'm gonna try to use my other phone to actually send an update to my Discord channel. By the way, let me say I'm just gonna take two entries, 0.5 here, 0.5 there. Yeah. So for 0.5 I'm making 1.5, but for 0.5 here I'm making 2.5 because this is 1 to 5. Okay, so here's an update of what's currently happening. Like I said, I'm gonna have like two options, whether I enter here or here, but now that this one didn't get triggered, I'm gonna show you on a screenshot. It missed me by a few peeps. I will try to attach this screenshot here. How do I do a screenshot? Okay. So yeah, I'm currently running all of 100 USD, targeting those highs there, and yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna delete these orders. Delete from all the accounts that I actually set this buy limit, right? Let me just delete everything because at this moment I don't think it's gonna come back down. So to be on the safer side, I might just remove everything. But I think I have two options, two accounts that actually triggered. Yeah, on my 25k account, instant funded account, I actually got triggered because I placed, like, using my my instant funded account. I use, what do you call this? I use the 75% zone of the Fibonacci tool. So I'm actually inside the trade as we speak. For now, focus on this. You'll see the screenshots there showing proof of entry. So it's my 50k account and my 25 instant funded account. So yeah, these are the only two accounts whereby I got triggered and went into profit. Yeah, they're gonna show now because I'm uploading using my phone. So yeah, these are the two entries. So I'm just trying to delete each and every setup that I had on the side. Okay, I don't know, judging by how it's dropping, I don't like how it's dropping, but still early. I can't wait. That demand zone didn't get triggered, so let's not worry about it. Okay. Thank you. So right now I'm still trying to delete everything that I had that didn't get triggered. Well, those are like setups whereby price didn't actually go into what I anticipated also. Damn, Nasdaq went from running 400 to running 100 USD. But I'm just gonna leave it like that, man. So for now, I'm deleting this. This is no longer valid. And yeah, I'm just deleting that alert. And as for the demand zone, I'm just gonna delete everything. I think I'm done for today. Because I'm risking 249 for 732. So for those who are trading favorable gaps, they could have entered somewhere around here, but I don't trade favorable gaps, so that's actually none of my business. So yeah, let me just leave it there. But I think I deleted those. What's this? Those orders early, man. See you on the next slide. Oh yeah, so here's a quick update, right? Like on the last video, on the last part of the video that I did remove this and I did delete that alert, right? And look at what happened. I thought maybe because already we have already showed up, it won't come back, right? So clearly I was wrong, but also I have no regrets. I have no regrets also, even though I could have made like 1,000 USD with this small movement, because I was gonna close 1,005 around 1,250. It's okay. So currently I'm running around like 500 to almost 600 on this other account, but I might have missed out on this position because I decided to close. So this is why I was sending that update. Like I said, it's gonna show here, but yeah. Oh, nonetheless, the trade is still running on the side. I'm actually looking for a long-term buy on German date, right? I'm actually looking for a long-term buy in German date, also US30, but this one keeps on playing around. So I'm just gonna keep this video short and simple. I close cat JPY because it keeps on playing. I don't like whatever this JPY pays me doing, because whenever like I'm holding, I take a loss. But when I decide to leave the trades, it actually goes into my direction. So I won't bother myself that much with this one. So yeah, that's the trade, man. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Seems like it doesn't want to hit TP, but I might as well close because I'll be up by 1% on my 50k account. Like I come back from -4 to almost -5%. So this is a huge milestone for me. And also I've been recording this series of Overcome and Drawdown. And this is supposed to be episode 3. So stick around and find out. And yeah, don't forget to use the link on my description and on my bio to purchase an account. And if you use GAMO50, you get like 50% off on your purchase with Alpha Capital Group. So yeah.
Playmakers.
One of them nights, tonight, call us a vibe. We vibe, pull up and slide. Say no goodbye, goodbye, baby.